In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to set up this Vintage Singer 328K sewing machine. If you're new to Vintage Singer sewing machines, this video will be a great place to start installing the needle. Raise the needle bar to its highest position. One important detail, the flat side of the needle faces the back and the long groove faces toward you. Loosen the needle clamp screw, then push the needle all the way up. Finally, tighten the screw again. Winding the bobbin. Now let's wind the bobbin first. Take the thread from the spool, guide it through the bobbin tension disc, and then through the small hole in the bobbin. Place the empty bobbin onto the bobbin winder. Then push the bobbin winder toward the hand wheel. Next, loosen the large center screw on the hand wheel. By turning it counterclockwise, this is called the stop motion screw. Once loosened, the machine's drive mechanism is temporarily disconnected. Now start the machine and begin winding the bobbin. So while winding the bobbin, the needle bar will not move and the machine will not run empty. This is a classic feature found on many vintage Singer machines. Bobbin finished. Once the bobbin is full, stop the machine. Move the bobbin winder back to its original position. Then remember to tighten the stop motion screw again. This reconnects the machine for normal sewing. Installing the bobbin. Open the slide plate. Place the bobbin inside. Pay attention to the bobbin direction. The thread should go under the tension spring, following the direction shown in the manual. Many beginners install the bobbin backwards. Finally, pull out a short length of thread. Upper threading. Now let's thread the upper thread first. Raise the presser foot, then raise the take-up lever to its highest position. Follow the threading path on the machine. Guide the thread through the tension assembly, through the take-up lever. And finally, through the needle on this machine. The needle is threaded from front to back, bringing up the bobbin thread. Gently hold the upper thread with your left hand. Turn the hand wheel with your right hand. So the needle goes down and comes back up. This will bring up the bobbin thread. Pull both threads together toward the back of the presser foot. And close the slide plate. Adjusting thread tension on the Singer 328K. The normal upper thread tension is usually around the middle setting. To start testing, ready to sew. Now the machine setup is complete. If you'd like to learn how to use decorative cams and how to sew these vintage decorative stitches, please check out my other video, How to Use Decorative Cams.